Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to reset network preferences on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! First of all, we want to go to the settings and scroll almost all the way down. Then head into System, scroll down once again, and right at the bottom we will see Reset Options. We want to go there, and then we can see if we want to reset mobile network settings or only Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you want to reset basically all your network preferences, you want to reset both of these. So I will go to mobile network settings, reset settings, I will input my current password, reset settings, and network settings have been reset. Same goes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Well, hit reset, and as you can see, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi has been reset and we lost our Wi-Fi connection, meaning that it did indeed worked. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.